Hi guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add music to Facebook Story new update. So first, go to your Facebook account and then create story. After choosing a video or picture that you want, you can now select music from the bottom right here. These are recommendations or suggestions from Facebook. There are many options right here. But if you like to search for more music, you can click the sound icon right here. And then tap on Add Music. There are plenty of sounds or musics that you can choose from. Now just tap on the music that you like to add this to your Facebook story. And that's it! The music has been added to your story. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.